Welcome back. Now, today we want to look at expansion of brackets in algebra. Expansion of brackets in algebra. Many a times, students get confused on how to expand algebraic expressions. When you have two brackets arranged in this way, whenever you see two brackets like this, it means they are multiplying each other. They are multiplying each other. Okay? However, but if you see brackets like this, if it looks like this, let's put plus here. If it is like this, no, they are not multiplying each other. They are adding each other. They are adding up. Okay, so the way you expand this is different from the way you expand this when the brackets are multiplying each other. Now, let us expand this bracket today. Good. Now there are different ways you can expand these two brackets. Okay, that's multiply each other. But the safest, clearer way to do it is doing it this way. Now, you take one of the brackets. Let's just take this first one here, x plus 1. You take the first one. This x that is here, we take it out. Then we take everything that is here and multiply it by 8. Okay. Now, the next thing, we take this plus 1 here, we put it here like this. Again, we take everything here, we multiply 8 by 8. Now, see what I've done. I took this first s, this is the first s, and multiply this everything in this bracket. Then I took this plus 1, and I multiply everything in this bracket. The next thing we do is now to open the bracket. So x multiplied by x will give us what? S squared, or s to the power of 2. Then we go again. This x, that's plus, invisible plus here. Plus times plus, we get plus. Now, x multiplied by 2, we get 2x. We are done with expanding this bracket here. We go to the next one. Plus times plus, that's an invisible plus here, we have plus. 1 times s, we have as, either you write it as 1x or you leave it like that, just 1x. Even this place, you can be 1x cubed, s squared, no problem. Leave it like that way, no problem. Plus times plus, we get plus. And 1 times 2, we have what? 2. Now we've expanded the bracket. We've opened the bracket, as some will say. The next thing to do is to simplify or make it reduce the expression. As we can see in this, we have s to the power of 2. It's not the same like term as plus 2x because this one is not raised to the power of 2. Neither is this. These two, they are similar, so we add them up. You can see plus 2s plus 1x. So we have it as plus 2s plus 1x. What do we have? That will be 3x plus 2. And that is all. You've expanded the expression. In other words, x plus 1 into x plus 2, when expanded, gives you this. And that's all for the expansion. Now let's take another one. Let's try another one that is not as simple as this. But the first thing you should do in learning this is to try simpler ones like the one I've just done now, before you move to a more harder one. Let's try another one. Okay, let's try this from this textbook. Let's try this one. That's 8x plus 3 into x minus 5. Now this one has minus. Okay, now you do the same thing. Let me use a blue marker. Okay, now what do you do here? The same thing I did in the first one. You take this 8x, you can take any of the brackets, anyone in the bracket. Either you use this first, second one, or this first one. Anyone is okay, but you do it the same way. So let's use the first one, 8x, x minus 5, and plus 3, x minus 5. So 8x times x, that will give us 8s to the power of 2. 8x, now there's an invisible plus here. Anytime you don't see any minus in front, it means plus. Plus times we have minus. 8x times s. We are done with this bracket. Now we come here. Plus times plus, we have plus. 3 times x, we have 3x. Plus times minus, we have minus. 3 times 5, we have 15. Just like the one we did before this, these are the only two like terms there. So this will be 8x of 2. Now, minus 40x plus 3x. Minus 40x plus 3x. We get minus 37x minus 15. And so that is the expansion of this bracket. Now, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask. I'll try to be putting my number maybe on the video so that you can, my WhatsApp number, you can easily send WhatsApp any question, or if I give assignment, you can easily solve it. Then if there's a mistake, I will see how I can help you to clarify things for you. So until I come your way, the next video, keep enjoying maths.